Hey YouTube, Elflord here. I entered my name in Rick's 1,000 subscriber giveaway to win a birdhouse, and I actually won. So here's Rick's birdhouse that he made for me. This is really cool. He puts a lot of time into these, you can tell, with his artistic flair, using old scraps of stuff. Puts a lot of time and effort into these, you can tell. So I thought I'd add this to my birdhouse collection. I have quite a few, some that I have made and some I've gotten from gifts. So I'll show you around the yard my other birdhouses. So here's a few more that I made. Kind of a barn style. Another barn style. This one was made from some scraps. Here's my birdhouse condo that I made. Another barn style. Some more made from scrap wood. Scraps of sheet metal and some old drawer pulls. This one my brother-in-law made it. This one I had some old tiles left over from something. This one I bought at a craft show. Rusty metal roof, but I like the painting that they did on it. And here's another collection of old birdhouses that I made a while back. Various sizes and shapes. And out in the weather, so the paint's starting to peel. So I just wanted to show you my birdhouses and thank Rick again for the one that he made for me. It's really special. I'll keep good care of it, and I'll join all my other birdhouses. Thanks, Rick.